Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. I am going to share with you my January Paper Pumpkin bonus project, which I thought was really cute. This is the stamp set that came with the kit. It has a rose, a little postage mark, a little love kind of postage mark, and then some sentiments, some little hearts and airmail. It's super cute. So it's, obviously meant for Valentine's, but you could do it for something else. But I thought we'd do a little Valentine card with it today. Now, Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription, or you can purchase prepaid subscriptions, and it comes every month to your door. And let me see if I've got, I think I took most of the cards I made with it downstairs already, which I should have just kept up here until I showed you. But for those of you that receive it, you'll have, hopefully make your cards in a timely fashion. I try to do mine quickly. So for my subscribers, I send you a bonus project every month, all the supplies, and then you use the stamp set that comes in the kit and the ink that comes in the kit. So this month the kit was included a Poppy Parade Stampin' Spot, but I'm just pulling it. I've already put it away, but I'm gonna just pull out my Poppy Parade ink pad. It's the same ink. And then I used a piece of the Made with Love designer paper. I had a bunch of this pattern I had not used yet. So I'm going to use this because it's nice and light, a piece of Poppy Parade and some Pretty in Pink. And I'm going to use several of the stamps that come in the kit. Let me move everything aside here. I'm going to do this little postage image right here, and then I'm going to do another one kind of right here. And then we have the little love heart and circle. I'm going to do this one there, and we'll do another one down here, kind of going off a little bit. And then, let me think, I'm going to do these little hearts. I'm going to do some little hearts down here, do some hearts over here, maybe up here, and we'll have some going off the side there. All right, now I will use my dies, and I include the die cut piece here. And this is from the Stylish Shape Dies. I'm going to stamp that heart, or not the heart, the flower or rose on that die cut circle. Then I have a little piece of a half inch white cardstock. I lost my train of thought. And I'm just going to stamp Happy Valentine's on that for the front. And then for the inside, I'm going to stamp You Brighten My Day. And we're going to stamp that on the inside of our card. And this is a nice light, I'm going to grab another stamp here. Let's do this one. Just like that, just for something fun. Let's do the front of our envelope. Okay. I think we've done enough stamping. Are my fingers red? Yep, I got enough ink that qualifies. All right. So what I want to do is on this one, we are going to grab a blending pen. Now, if you have your blends markers, you want to use it, or watercolor pencil, or whatever you want to use, you can. But I thought I would just do my blender pen. And when I just grab a little ink, it's dark at first, and then it lightens up. So I just kind of go around and fill in. So I do some of it with the darker shade where I want my shading, where it might be, kind of overlap there. And then when that's a little less dark, I'll take it and just kind of fill in my petals. Okay. Do a little bit more here. Okay. These two we can color in. And then right here, I'm just gonna fill that in there and maybe just do a few little shadows. I am not even going to mess with the leaves. We're gonna leave those white. All right. And if you want, you can Wink of Stella your flower. I am just going to, because who doesn't love a little bit of sparkle here? Okay, I just wipe that off, make sure there's no red ink. Red ink is notorious for kind of staining and clinging to things. All right, let's layer this designer paper on our Poppy Parade. And then we're going to glue this to the Pretty in Pink card front. All right, we are going to use some dimensionals. And the kit comes with all the adhesives you need. If it comes with a big sheet of dimensionals, I usually use like my scraps, and then I save the dimensionals for class. Okay, I'm going to just trim that little banner. We'll pop that up as well. Happy Valentine's, we'll go over there. And then I'll include the embellishments or ribbon. So these are 3 of the Strawberry Slush gems. I don't know what the actual word is for them. But we're just going to add those because they just add a little glimmer and bling to it. Isn't that pretty? So that was my Paper Pumpkin bonus project for the month. I will post a link in the below the video if you're interested in checking out the Paper Pumpkin kits. You can subscribe and get one every month, and then you don't have to worry about it, or you can do a pre-purchase of 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. They've gotten so much better. I love these kits. They also, each month you're going to get some rewards because they're $20. I think they're $20 towards your rewards. So you'll be earning 10% of that back and to use later. And yeah, you also have the opportunity when we have a sale on past kits. You get to order past kits if you want, if they're available, because if you're not a subscriber and you're not currently getting it, you're not allowed to order past kits. So we have add-on products. You can only get that if you're a subscriber. Sometimes we have fun little other things that only subscribers can purchase. So if you enjoy the cards and you don't want to use extra supplies, just whatever they give you, Paper Pumpkin kits are a great way to go. They always give you plenty of options. So you could, if you want to do something for birthday, you could do just for you. You brighten my day, sending love. This does not have to be Valentine's. So lots of ways to use these. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and we'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.